Bible says. So would you like to do that? No. But if you marry that woman, and you're going to beget any more children, they're all bastards. And for 10 generations, they'll be bastards. But you say, no. No, this woman, how can I hold it out against her? She made a mistake, right? In compassion, love, fairness, justice, you give her protection in marriage. You don't want to, then it happens what's happening. New York has got 1 million more women than men. They can't get husbands. Your country, 7.8 million more women than men. They can't get husbands. If every man in America gets married, there'll be still 7.8 million women who can't get husbands. In New York, 1/3 of your manpower is gay, sodomites. Your prison population, 98% of your prison population is men. Then man gets cold feet for 100 different reasons. You know, you got 20 million more women on your hands for whom you have to find husbands. Do you know that? You have no answers. No answers. Salvation, what salvation are you talking about? Talk to them. There's 20 million hungry women. Talk to them. Their salvation. Those 1 million in New York, their salvation. Tell them, sublimate their passions. That's what you're doing. Are you? Sublimating your passions. 1 million women can't get husbands. And the manpower that is around them, 1/3 are gays, sodomites.
We would like to entertain the written questions. Dear brother, may Allah bless you. How should I act with my mother is a follower of Jimmy Swaggart?